I'm going to show you how to turn off and on Dank Memer's various auto response features. So the first one we have is called dad mode. You run please AR, which stands for auto response, dad mode. And that has been activated. All of these are going to be a toggle. You don't have to specify enable or disable. And dad mode, if we say I'm stupid, hi stupid, I'm dad. See, now if we want to turn that back off, we do please AR dad mode. And it's disabled. And then that works for re, sec, no u, and f. And I'll go ahead and enable all of those and show you what they do. All right, so what happens is if you the bot will do it back in all caps, and also we'll add one more e than you, just to one-up you a little bit. For 1 second, if you are chatting, it'll wait 1 second, and then it'll say, hey, it's been 1 second. No u is pretty obvious. It'll just say it right back. And f is also pretty obvious. It'll just say it right back. And again, to disable these, you just toggle them by running the same command. All right, thanks.